accent. No one really know where response here. We own Jamaica. We are Jamaica. So we share the experience.
That's what I'm at everywhere now. Yeah, I'm at everywhere. I'm at everywhere, so. We buy it, you know. I'm accept them. Come here. You can't put up the man. Come on, but if it's them, everyone, they're not carrying it. Okay, accept them. Accept them can't go for it. Find a reason they fire. You set them on come stop. I'm going to come so you accept them. I'm going to rent it, so. And now, try to come back and stop me. I'm going to come so with you. Go on it. Yeah, man. Straight up, man. You have a right road.
But why them can't bring the step across to the film?
Okay, come get this camera. Now for interview. Like a little more because
culture. Talk to me, culture. Yes or no? What's the story of this tallest fall in Jamaica? And the fact that somebody just privatized, put red ribbon around the street. What's the story behind this place? Nonsuch Falls.
This tour presently is what me hear. Me no have no realistic proof and nothing at all. But the adjoining property to the falls,
yeah.
which is owned by what am I the name again, man? Still from Skifa to this man, man.
Don't worry, I'm on.
Alright, no problem. One of them man did the money. And now me, John Maxwell.
Yeah, John Maxwell.
John Maxwell. They own this property. And my brother did live up on him place. For many years, more than 30 years. Sell the first time with him, then sell this time with him later. Well, them present owner now start show landmarks. And yes, upon them showing, then landmark extend, not just in the middle of the river, but across the river. So it would mean the river belongs to them. At least
Part of the river.
these parts of the river will run through them premises. Me hear of development, which, as me I say, everything I just want me hear.
But it's right here.
We're
making 26 little villas in
push up the wall. Yeah.
You look at him
Yes, there are two sets. But when the
there.
up
Me
one,
wonder now,
also in a bush.
at 54 years old, and when me I wonder just the future, some youth we are just probably 5 or 9 or so. If them are have the access, then me ensure all through my life. If it was suddenly taken from them, that's a little youth can go river again. My friend then can come check me and we just go down the fall and go cook a pot like before and enjoy the day. That's my only concern. I don't know much about the rights of property owner, guys.
Yeah.
I don't know how this property sell, but them pay for them property well.
You never even know, say, the boundaries. So far. No, for real. For real. You never know. You never know that.
Boundary right there, sir.
I never know that this property comes so close down to the
river.
river.
That's in the
Until
river.
it even extend
Over in the river. Yeah.
I extend to 22 minutes over 22 right now when we used to walk and go at the bottom of the fall. Up here, it's like AFC and cash and private property and something like that. Up here that, man. Because some people don't know there, man. There's some people
Also, them buy up the falls.
So you should see him. So it would seem
Nobody knew about it, so they bought it.
based upon the operation.
Only government didn't protect it. So somebody bought it.
If this property is
Because it sits on somebody's land, you know.
alright.
Yeah.
But it's supposed to be protected by the government. So all the other person had to do was buy from the other person
Yes.
and sell them or build something on their property. You
Yeah.
can't stop them.
But it's exactly.
The government should have protected it from being sold.
Yeah.
But I thought
I never know
These
that this land
places-
come so far. First, me know that.
enough from so far.
Me know that this land come so
I
far.
just took some people there and some people there and then just put it on.
See me? This land come so
Even though
far.
that is speculation. But when we know certain distance from places like the fall, the government reserves as
Yeah,
government
reserve.
property.
Certain part. Reserve land.
They stop people from cutting down like a tree and stuff because of erosion. So some wonder where all that rights would have gone then. If me grow up knowing say certain area from the falls is government property to protect lumbering, logging, land erosion and everything. And suddenly after that change with the part which was for government now privatized to the person who own the place adjoining to that property. That's what me see with my eye, but me don't have no documented proof. But anybody when not blind see that too. Government property can be privatized.
Can't, because I know so long as right now. Nobody can want that.
One white man come and did that tell me a long time, about 20 years
Yeah,
ago.
man. Nobody can want
Saying
that. River
buy
scheme
this
is enough.
river.
What's that?
When
Look
we
over
don't talk to him,
Grandy
he been
Bill.
changing
Look over
mind and
Grandy
take
Bill.
back his money. UDC sell him like, yeah,
Look over Grandy
this
Bill.
land that I, the property, just the river alone, not the property, just the river.
Yeah, man. You don't think
And
that
when we
can
don't
want
talk to him, he take back his money from UDC.
that. You see, the wicked is still there, then cannot fall them 3 years. Then 3 years can't fall. No? If them 3 years fall right now, the river dry.
Yeah, talk about that. Yeah.
Yeah, man. 3 years
Me,
can't fall.
I'm not terrorist, you know. Me, I'm not terrorist. Me not even a freedom fighter no more, because everybody have their own freedom eventually. So me not need to be a freedom fighter. But me know nature rights when violation go against nature. And they can drive the river in a 21 years.
Yeah, man.
Me personally can't do that. For sure. I prove that to the man who did that buyer, that's why I take back his money from UDC. I can make the whole river dry in 21 days. And I can make him never come back neither. Yes, just sink down the earth and come out somewhere else. I know how to do that. And that I don't do it. Seriously, brother. Really serious. I know how to do that. So, me I watch the people that do because I love my river. I know my river dry up.
No, brother. You
But
man.
then these people going like me look at you, them all grow up in a place. Now go have access to river no day. I just, some people, river go just be a vacation thing. Some people fly in and enjoy river and whole of you can go river. Yeah, like Senegal in Africa, the biggest fishing port and the people can eat fish. Fish too expensive there.
Well, this is Jamaica Good Life. Other Jamaicans have to look into Nonsuch and how to protect the privatization near to the world tallest fall.
Yeah, man.
I do the camera work, they do the
Jamaica
rest.
tallest fall. Yeah, man.
I can't do everything, you know.
Yeah, man.
To do my part. Oh, no, do on the part.
Access to the fall.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man.
All right.
I don't know, one
That's all.
person or something can get one of them.
That's all.
Look here, Dada.
That's all. You might have time to build something that's not getting a fool.
No, no.
Oh,
Right,
that's
look here now, them are the one over here, right?
Yeah.
They don't want this again.
You mad?
This was Zazi, you know.
You know?
Who was Zazi?
Rasta Virgin.
People
Uplick more of a win from there.
Oh, oh,
Alright. Uplick more after the hand this and then it's Selma there.
oh.
Alright.
Oh, so we know the Rasta man them?
No, I never met him today.
Well, you know him.
Yeah man, I'm a good virgin man.
Yeah, man, friend, man.
So we not can buy a piece of land from him.
Alright. In the road still piece of land over there, you know. But I don't know if he still have the land. And all of this I know. Let's get the last iron shard. To the road in front of our place.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Wow, you see what I'm going down here, sir? Couple of years it's going to be a hot spot.
Yeah. Clean, man. I say clean, you know. Yes, when clean, you know.
Yeah, cook out the
Come down here and cook it. We are cooking, I say cook, you know.
more
Right,
than
we cook.
20 girls.
Yeah,
And
man.
I see him do the night when he's on the left. What is development of one still, you know?
Much bush, dry trash, clean off the wild and trash there, and I just say peaceful, you know.
Yeah, some good work to still, you know.
Yeah, man, it might sound good.
And I like your fight, you know.
No, it might sound good, well.
Yeah, man, so you want to do this, you're right, can you fight against the next person?
No.
Let's work together. Yeah, no, you're right to see you. I want them card laugh now, so it's private. Set up your something, you come to the edge of things. And find the edge of things for everybody. Yeah, man. That means the next man they can set up films and come to the edge of things. Sharing, sharing.
Them a move around in front of the water running.
And that's a holy cook, you know.
A wall, you know that? Who is somebody do?
You're not to do that.
No, you don't have to do that. Yeah, I'm glad. But check out that. Check out, you know what? I feel it's younger there. If you go, I want to step in and then I feel that time. The water protect you for 2 years, right? I know, clear your own. If you 2 years, if you like that, the water now going like that, will get low. Too much, I come out one time.
If they never remove these stones,
And get deeper.
Water like higher.
much deeper.
Yeah, water much deeper. The water right, okay, let me show you something. You put the water in there. You put the water in there. You put the water in there. Yeah.
So they're changing
Yeah, so the water in there.
they're changing the
Look,
river.
Randy, the water was here. Right here, the water was there. See? You see? Right here. Water was there. The people them move the stone out of the water, so the water drop. You see how much inches? The water drop. So the water used to run like this. While like the machete, now, like the machete now them dig it out, the water run wide like this. As much water never come out of it, out of the pool. A father works, you know. And nature, water run till him stop. You know, dig out the water for the water run because the amount of water will come out of this. Now,
Everything perfect.
the stone was there. Look at the stone, look what are the stone come out of the water. These are the stones. The support.
I know,
For
they
the
don't
ear.
know better still, they know that.
These stones. Look, I am go on there. I'm going there. These stones come out of the water. See, I dig them, dig out all this, no. I have to listen, you know. I dig them, dig out, you know. See there? Dig them, dig out this.
Like this seal letter like one like a
See?
page, you know, if you
Alright,
keep on that,
alright. See there? Them dig out the whole of them.
you know.
Yeah.
They even throw them back in now when the rain fall, them a wash it.
Of course. And they loose.
They lose up, you know.
These are your food. Yeah, man, I real Jamaica life, you know. Real Nonsuch life, you see me? But I work with this still, you know, and so I go on, you know. Yeah. Real lifestyles, you know. Really, can't afford to really make them come mash up the river, you know. Like,
We're
we go mash up.
gonna pick online that are smarter than I am with government. We'll start to monitor this area for them to see what's going on. The privatization and actually the destruction of the river This is a destruction, right? Because now you change the whole ecology of the system to satisfy the privatization. So now you change years, 200, 300 years by doing this. Now Moses never get nothing from the God. The God them attack African people.
They know that. That they know.
Okay? Every time you hear them say God in the Bible, African people don't attack. Not the Almighty creation. So one of the laws was do not touch running water. And look what I'm going to do.
Do not trouble nothing in the river stream because we
That's
throw
why-
in the river stream.
That's why I don't make you worry me much, you know, so I do me still do my work. Highlight what I highlight. But me don't make you worry me much no more. Because this is
If I
the
go up there now, go up.
divine creation where
Go up and come back.
life to exist.
Go on up, man.
No say the water is life. The bird them are
I
life.
don't want to know like
the
you
fish
just on.
them
I
in
say,
their
go on up.
that being or that force or that whatever it might be will never allow death
But that takes
to
time.
conquer life.
If we sit down and wait from God, God does not
No, I
move
tell you again, you know.
unless man move.
So when man move, that's when God move.
Exactly. So if we don't move, God now move. If we just sit down and pray for this get fixed, not now. No, we have to tell the government. We have to show them back and send emails to government and say someone is disturbing the river. Someone is disturbing the river at Nonsuch. And they're privatizing it and disturbing it. So when the government start getting them emails from poor people, they must say, well, go on. So you alert government, government start pay attention, see the facts, evidence. And if them do this, them are going to do more. They might make a swimming pool down here. This is not a river no more, it's a swimming pool. If a man can make one move like this, what else am I going to do? And him thinks that nobody will watch him.
No such thing to do, which is destruction. Built up and lack of knowledge. There's no knowledge of the person.
I'm not knowledgeable person. Some people are money seekers. Destructioners for money. They don't destroy anything natural for money. You know, see the earth. So our grandchildren them won't have nothing. And they make the money and them gone and them enjoy the thing. Because them have the vision.
It's our black back to them. You guess what you think? I know without it to feel back like they feel. When I want real heavy rain come and go down and one of them big ones out the river come right from the and stay up 115, 20 years and sail again.
So them just disturb about 200 years of work. That's all. It's a run out too fast. That means if it a run out too fast, that means that it even change the whole channel will go down so.
Itself, you know, no man. Back off the little part and left and lick the part for the side. And that's all alone and run out. So they were up on the level now, can't drive. So I don't have to suck what to fall and suck a lot. They don't have to fall and suck a lot. So when I give them
So
all,
the river do it so that it can't dry.
the river stepping in.
So him can't dry. So the people them get water.
Only when you try to make more water reach certain place
Like a dam.
before time then dry dry that time.
That's why them say don't touch the water. Because when them stop and sit down, it get a hole. Well, this is my first expedition to protect our river. To make a good life, this is all we have. So I ask all the smart people that are smarter than me to do something about it, alright? If you do nothing in your life, protect Nonsuch. Find out who's who and start protect it, because look here. In 2030, everything up has to privatize. Once one man do it, another man is coming to do it. You see? So thanks to the warriors then. Hopefully this will work. Thanks to you, culture. And the local youth are your river at the future. You remember this day when we come through, alright? But we'll protect it for you. Them do the same thing again. So it's a fall, them will look for them.
Them no want the water to stop going but down the fall. Them want the water to continue.
Because sometimes when they drought, the water barely go over the fall. But put them package with them at the time.
I'm going to fall. I'm going to fall cheating.
Not even like that.
Down the field, down the fall, right? When you know, the water will go down the fall harder.
You know, sometimes we go to the beginning thing, you know, fall and it's a thing.
Alright, you see, that's why I must send the water down the fall. They don't want bring nobody come here. And when you go down the water, go down the fall and see the water to the front of the fall. They want to see water.
People don't know water going to come here.
Alright, brother.
I just the water around through the fall itself.
One of the people and see the water go down the fall. Because without the water going down the fall, there is no beauty. We are coming out of a dry fall. So if the water now go down the fall, there is no beauty. All you have to look over Draper's ice. When the water go down the fall, Randy, the water white, white, go down the fall. Yeah, man, when you go down the bottom, man, the water, man, pretty, man. Pretty, the word if it rain, fall like that for 1 week straight. And you go down the fall after that, and look, and see the water come down the fall, man.
So that means them will drain out everything out of this.
Pretty. Them can't drain them, man. Them can't drain them, because we know what to do. Them can't drain them, man. Everybody see, man. I'm not trying to, you know. I'm not trying to, you know what I'm saying. If them go on full and water, you see, the way I see from push a blue wall. And then I see that finish on my farm, madam.
Come out and eat water my fall.
Don't I fall?
I
don't fall every Saturday, I just empty fall there. Natural thing you see, fall and work. We can't come here today. We can't come here today and come back tomorrow without no water come at this.
So step the over this.
Yeah, man. We can't come here today and come back tomorrow. And there's no water come at this, man. Nature, man. I am who are you? We look at Christmas and one stone right there. Right there. Every time I come and say, I'll be curious about the nice stone. Yeah, man. All that stone, yeah? Let me ask you, brother. What them place, sir? A water, man. What them place, a water? When the rain fall, you know? How them place, a water, you know? There's a water, you can't come here, so. When rain just back, come where? You can't come nowhere down here, so when rain just don't fall. You have to by bridge.
So, no force.
Come down, if you come down, so then you'll see you back. Gone falling like rockets.
Heavy.
Water up on them tree there, you know. Went up on them tree there, you know. Water there, you know. Fish are coming there, you know. Alright. The current stand. For water eat out the rock. So when water come down, it's pretty.
Pretty.
When down come down, man, water brown. Oh, anything like it's night gone. Gone with it clean, you know, stable.
Over the fall.
Yes, man. You know, save nothing when that come, young man. All them places are full of water. All them places are full of water. I come down fast. I come down, man.
It's not a joke.
Then time you want me to the river coast, man. Water spread out. Yeah, man. Water and river stream needs some water, you know, some rain.
That's why this is still natural for them.
Then do it again. You want to do it again, yes, sir? See it? You want to do it again? And then water constantly.
Then can, and one water in can control them and feature. Bush a blue hole. Feature. They can't control this. Bush a blue hole, you know.
You can't get anything. You can't dig out there, huh? No. You know? To the bottom of it. Everything goes down.
The place,
You said they can't get out.
No.
I do okay have it.
You can't do
So they can't dig out that little place right between we are put in there, so. Deep, you know. To the bottom of it.
Oh, that's why they want to do it, because they realize
I don't know that.
they want to make money all year round.
Yeah. I want to take it to school. I want to come control river stream, you know? That's what I want to do. I want to control river stream. You know?
This is Jamaica Good Life. Doing the best we can. The viewers will start research Nonsuch River and sign some petition with the government and make sure say them create a protest system soon. Look at this. Look at this, people. This is just beautiful.
It's magical, you know.
Yeah.
Magical river this, you know.
Yeah, man.
I love this right, you know, because I look where water comes from. I go over and I want to time.
Push a blue hole at now, man. Push a blue hole.
This is the blue.
Say blue?
Man, man, they don't want them outside.
See your head taking at this, man. See your head taking at that. Yeah, man.
Oh, listen. This is Randy Jamaica Good Life. Protect the river, people. Nonsuch. We come on the journey to start the protection. We're gonna come.
Jamaica Good Life, you know? Every time.
Protection.
Every time.
So them are do the same thing as well.
Yeah, man. Real life, you know?
Jamaica Good Life, we out here. Jamaica Good Life. Represent, respect, I respect. Bang.
Come beside me, wanna come?
Yeah, man. Come in, Tato. I say things here, you know. You have to there, you know.
United is strong.
You have to there as well.
United is strong.
We put the thing together, you know.
Come, Jasu.
Yeah, man. We put the thing together, man. So we have to there, you know.
Alright, come sit down. We're still on right, Jasu. This is my brethrens from Portland, Nonsuch. This place is like Norway, very sacred, has a magnificent energy. One of our the best in Jamaica. Now what's happening is privatized people are coming to buy up the sidelines to privatize the river, to take it away from my brethren here and my brethren here. So we're Jamaica good life. For the smart people out there, start research Nonsuch. Come here. Talk to these men. Find out what's going on. Let them bring you. Bring your Timberlands. Bring your shoes. Be careful. Step lightly. Come see for yourself the most beautiful experience in Jamaica. Right? Then we have some secret springs where you drink the water if you're Jamaican. So talk to the people. What was this mission like today?
It was good. It was good and enjoy it now. And make sure I bring Randy. Let him can experience it for himself. I don't need to tell him nothing more about it. I need him to just go, every time go, and top off the fall.
Well, if I'm in a mission, it's like an outflow. You know, when you know something, I see something, man, can't even relate them to nobody, because nobody not interested. Because taking care of life sound like madness. So if you try to tell somebody, so, hey, man, like a little to take care of life, the life of a destroyer, then say culture get mad.
Yeah.
So meeting with Randy now and Siva and the idea, me I tell her when I get great thing, me get a house flow. Me get to make somebody else see when the burden when me I feel from nature destruction where developers I do. Nothing against development, don't get me wrong. One love.
Yeah, man. Peace and love, my brother. Jamaica good life. In Nonsuch.
Respect.
Yeah.
We could feature the cameraman. So tell them what you think now. Siva, what's your experience?
Yeah, my experience on this was a magnificent experience. First, I've been to this place, and as I reach and see, like, mosquitoes them there, that's natural. Like, it's a source thing. You know, this is a source, like, it's a natural source of life. You know, this bring back one peace of mind. The naturalness where we come from. So, before I see what I go on in the community, and like development wouldn't be a bad idea. I think people that want to see this place, like, believe me, because I've seen it today, and I love the experience. I'm glad to see this place.
First, I see it.
Yeah, first me I see it. So
Okay,
only
I look
people
for it, no?
that want to see this one, see it. So the destruction of the place in terms of the development, because development, it can be tricky, you know. I can say I develop one thing, but at the end of the day, it do one damage somewhere else. You know, so you have to have everything in mind, like the naturality, like
Balance.
yeah, you have to have the balance. Like you still have to take care right, even though you have to take care right, and then you have to take care of the care where you give. Yeah, so would I love to see it set one way nice where people can see it, get a clear view of what life really look like, you know. But the destruction part of it, I don't really like that. It's been a great day. We just keep it banging.
Yeah, man.
Really
Banging, you know?
Yeah, man.
Banging, you know?
Future the fall free people, people, any people at all.
Yeah, man. We were banging, you know? Tour, banging,
Yeah,
banging. Yeah.
Just to see it is going. Let's see. What an experience.
You know, enough people coming down.
Magical water, you know?
If you want your nerves to cool down, just rush some on your head, cool down your nerves. Be a calm feeling, make you relax. Look on it, man.
want to see the brother with the big round leaf then?
This one, it's a trumpet, is it? No, it's a goat, you know. Goat love that, you know. Goat love that, and they go to high blood pressure.
Anytime we're going out storm, we look for the trumpets here now.
Yeah? Every leaf
That's the only time him turn his leaf in a white.
Every leaf turn on?
Anything else he leaves in white, we want to go, we want to turn it here and something. Anytime we have to come rough storm or
Come on. I see you rough. Then turn over.
all of that after 1975.
Sugar? That's what you said. Thanks for coming, alright?
No, you tell me to change your name from Sugar. Yeah, no man can look a girl alone. You tell me Sugar. Yeah, tell me to call her then. How is it tell me to call her? You never did know.
I just let the rain fall.
I think they brought me in a culture.
Look here.
You have a glass of water, Billy.
It was in the tire. That is what it was.
You're not supposed to.
You have a glass of water.
After we stop on the river.
You're not supposed to glass of water, Billy.
Yes, they ain't go right back to the end.
This is what we created.
Nice. Nice. So now we're going to keep the fight. What are you doing? I war, you know, a mission with that one, you know. How you feel?
Yeah, man, good, you know? Real.
I've received the place.
Real, you know?
So I go do, I go get some beer for them. Good. You know, can't go night? You're washing away, right? No, it was heavy.
Yeah, man, sometimes it's really heavy that you can't go down there and take a tour like what we just did. Like a guessing.
Wow.
Hi, son.
We're going to send it to the world, alright?